Alright, today I'm going to talk about how to install Docker IO, the Linux container kind of VM manager and maintainer. Um, and I'm going to use this article that's hosted by Docker to install on and virtualize a Ubuntu Precise 12.4 LTS virtual image. So, what I have already set up is via my virtual box, just a base operating system, Ubuntu 12.04. I just finished installing it. I went in and cloned it, so I'm running this N1. I'm going to go ahead and log into this. Um, if I can get the password. Actually, different username. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste. I've already updated it, so I'm not going to go through all that mess. I'm just going to have to update the kernel, which is already updated, so that's cool. I'm not going to have to reboot. So like I said, it's a very new image. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the key to Docker so I can validate the install for this, the LXC Docker apt-get app. So all I'm doing is copy and pasting. Now I have to do the update again to get the from the repo, the Docker Ubuntu repo. This one here. I just added it to the sources list. And the next one's going to be to install this thing. Just give it a sec here. Okay. Why, yes. And so I was pretty impressed by running earlier the Docker application where you can just quite easily create a virtual image, go ahead and freeze that into some type of image, and then you can easily deploy it pretty quickly. So I went ahead and installed. Now, instead of Docker run, I'm going to go ahead and install. So if I do this one here, it's going to install both Precise and Quaddle, so the 13, I believe. Let's see, 1, 2, Quantal. It's one of the later versions of Ubuntu. So we want 12.04, the LTS version. So we're going to do sudo docker pull Ubuntu :12.04, I believe. And this is going to pull the compressed image that is hosted by, I believe, Docker themselves. And if you can see, it's quite small, so the slug is like 58 megabytes. So this should take some time. It looks like it's going to be. The network's running pretty slow right now, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back to you when this is a bit higher.
guess it could just be used as spatial.
Alrighty, so it just completed the download image for Ubuntu, and now I'm going to simply launch bash shell into the new virtual image that I just downloaded. So I'm going to sudo doc run some arguments, the image that I just downloaded, so 12.04 to be precise, and I'm going to execute the bash shell. So as you can see, I created, so I have root access to some instance that Docker just created. And to prove that it's running here, we'll go ahead and log in again to another shell to the virtual machine here. Roots 1 sudo, and Docker has this nice interface where you could just ps it, and you can see that right there I'm running an image 12.04 bin bash, and even the uptime and how long it's been running. So, and this is a a full image that's shared, resources within the virtual image that I'm running. So. And it's like real basic, so like there's no users or anything. Right. Cool deal. So that's how you install and get up and running with Docker. It's quite simple. They made it. So, all right, go have fun.